107 here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro I recently got for Christmas. So, first of all, this has the Intel quad-core Core i5 processor and has the Intel Iris graphics card, 8 gigs of RAM, and 512GB SSD. So, let's get started. This is a nice upgrade, unlike the HP 15 I used to have. But yeah. So first of all, if you these Macs are good for stuff like business stuff, like it has all your preload applications. So use the four-finger gesture to get to the launchpad, and then you have your business stuff: numbers, keynotes, and pages. Numbers. If you're a Windows user, numbers is equal to Excel. Keynote is equal to PowerPoint. And pages is equal to Word. So, so let's go ahead and open pages. So, new document. It's not that much different than Word and Google Docs. Numbers. Let's take a look at numbers real quick. So here's a new book, or you could just type in different boxes, like on a scale of of number of numbers and letters, just like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. So it's actually not bad. So the same thing goes for Keynote right here. And what if you're not a business person? What if you get this machine just for home usage? Well, surfing the web is not bad. So let's say I go to Google right now and I search how to tie a tie. It's actually pretty fast. I already know how to tie a tie, by the way. I'm just doing this for a quick, fast search. Or if you're not that kind of person, I could just go back and go to YouTube, and I can just go and quickly click on the video with no lag. So forgot to mention, why do you want to go to YouTube and watch some good 4K videos? So here's some underwater footage.
If you want to sell online, make sure you stand out. Go to Wix.
So let's fast forward to a more, and look at this stunning quality. So You can watch 4K videos with this Mac, and there is surround sound. You can't tell by this camera mic, but I'm telling you, this is surround sound right here. But this is an 11-hour video, so we're not going to sit here forever to watch that. And what if you just want to sit and chill and you're not for entertainment? You can just sit and chill and play chess with the computer. Like, I'm going to move my pawn up twice, and then if the computer doesn't take long to move their piece. So I would sit here and play this chess game all day, but I'm not going to let you waste your time and let you sit here waiting, watching me play chess for this video. So another feature is, so let me go ahead and open news right quick, and I open stocks, so I can maximize, so I can use 3 fingers to scroll between my desktop and all your apps. And if there are more than one windows on your desktop, if there are 2 windows on your desktop, you can toggle this window to the left of the screen. Then you can put this. Wait, I can't put news on the right side of the screen, so let me go ahead and close this out. Not now. So I'm going to go ahead and open calendar and stocks. I just hover over this, toggle to the left of the screen, and calendar is not available. Well, not every window is, so if I open Safari, and if I try to do that, you can't. So all you gotta do is hover, and then you can take your calendar or this, and boom, you got your split screen view. So the good thing is,
Rick was born in 2014. He was diagnosed at
I can watch my YouTube videos while I'm looking at my calendar, see what I have planned for this week. It's pretty cool and pretty unique. So if you use 2 fingers and scroll to the left, you should be able to view your sidebar. I forgot how you do it now, but there is a sidebar where you can view all your stuff. Here's your control center for the Mac. And you can get all your basic things like on iOS. Well, there is a sidebar, let me tell you that. But let's go ahead and go to Maps. And I'm going to go to the Empire State Building. And I can go to Satellite. And if I click the 3D button, I can go into Flyover and then view this thing with my fingers, just like iOS. They brought it to the Mac too. So, what if you're looking for a basic 2D site? So let's go somewhere else, like Apple Park. So here we are at Apple Park. And you can see all the detail with this incredible Apple Maps. So if I go in 3D, I can just turn 3D off and just look at everything down here. Like, you can zoom in all the way down for all this crisp detail. And if I go around, I can go to the Steve Jobs Theater. So, as you can see, it's really close to Apple Park. So this is the Steve Jobs Theater right here. So looking at your maps and looking at the web, if you're a home user and if you're a professional user, Mac OS is for everyone. Unlike Windows, you have to buy a whole different version of Windows depending on your needs. Like Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprises. All of that is just, you either get the cheapo Windows 10 starter type thing, or you can go for the most expensive Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Home. With Mac OS, even though it is expensive, if you buy a Mac preloaded with it, it there is no version. It's all in one for whatever your needs are. So it also comes with more things. Like, what if you want to do a video editing thing, or make your music? GarageBand is just the thing. So as you can see right now, here is a keyboard right here, and I could just hook it up to my keyboard and start making music, and I could just form my own best quality music. And so that's just a quick preview of what I'm telling you about GarageBand and iMovie. And this thing is easy to open and close. I can just shut my Mac softly like this and lift without any liftage or anything. So that is pretty unique. So you can go to your app store and look at find new apps. And here's stuff. Here's Grammarly for Safari. Grammarly has been advertising for iPhone, for iOS 2. Then there's Honey for Safari. Honey is an extension you can add to Safari or Google, and once you try to buy something on the internet, it'll find coupons to make it cheaper and make your life and finances a whole lot easier. So there's pretty much lots of apps you can try. And here's Apple Arcade, where you can where you can have a subscription and play any game you want with a subscription. Like, for example, Sneaky Sasquatch, Sonic Racing, and SpongeBob Patty Pursuit, Pac-Man Party Royale. There's lots of stuff you can choose from. And here's the top free apps. I already have some of these apps. Here's HP Smart for desktop, which you can use if you have an HP printer like me, and other stuff like Microsoft 365. And you have to pay for, I think, Microsoft Office 365, but I would prefer to use, wait, no. Microsoft 365 is free, but you, but the Apple version of things is a whole lot easier. Because Apple already has their own mail, PowerPoint, which is Keynote. OneDrive is iCloud. And OneNote is Reminders and the Apple Notes app. So Microsoft 365 is not something you need. And that is the App Store. And I did not know Apple still has this, but you still have your QuickTime player. QuickTime has been around since the 90s. And if you're planning to get a Mac soon, there's something you're absolutely gonna love. The Apple has made something called the Migration Assistant, which is free. That you install the application on your PC, and it'll transfer all your data wirelessly to your Mac. There's also something called Boot Camp if you want to dual boot Windows onto your machine. If you like Windows or prefer Windows, you can do that. Well, I'm not going to do that because Windows has caused me a lot of problems since the beginning. And there's podcasts. You can listen to podcasts and watch podcasts for free. Like, for example, you can listen to podcasts or you can watch podcasts. Like, so if I can go to the all of Apple's events for free, and it dates all the way back to January 2007 when the first iPhone was introduced. So that is stunning, and the quality is basic. They update the quality each year. So let's open. Let's. So I'm going to demo you part of this keynote when they introduced Mac OS 10 Lion 10 years ago.
Thanks for coming this
Late 2010.
We've got some fun stuff to.
Right now it's early 2021, so it's still 10 years ago since it's early. But as you can see, this quality is not very bad.
It'd be kind of nice to let some of the folks that worked on these projects, some of the engineers, demo them to you. So we're gonna have.
There's Steve Jobs right there,
I'm gonna be a little like a yo-yo.
who's about to unveil
And so I'd
Mac
like to
OS 10
start
Lion.
with the state of the Mac. We're gonna be talking about the Mac today. And to take us through the state of the Mac, I'd like to invite my colleague Tim Cook, our Chief Operating Officer, up to take us through.
Thanks, Steve.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
So you can watch, listen to your podcast right here, and Here's Spotlight Search, where you can search for all your applications or search the web. Basically like the window search, where you can search the web and Windows. But this is just searching the web or Mac OS right here. But if you press the Apple button, you can go look at your recent documents and recent everything. You can look at your specs, and you can log off, shut down, restart, basic functions. And that, my viewers, is this 13-inch MacBook Pro with touch bar. I forgot to mention this stunning touch bar you can do basic functions with. And Apple wasn't the first one to invent this technology. So let me get you guys off the tripod right here. So, as you can see right here, Apple wasn't the first one that invented the touch bar either. Because, focus camera, you can change your volume on this HP Pavilion DB7 and many other functions. See how the volume's going up and down? And with the Mac, it's just remastered. You can talk to Siri with just a touch of a button. Hello.
Good afternoon.
So, let me get you guys back on the tripod. And so, to shut the computer down, all I gotta do is press the Apple button and click shut down. And then once it has this secondary "Are you sure?" prompt, just click shut down. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the review of this 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro with touch bar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.